Hey, today I want to talk about how to buy PLR, how to buy high quality PLR. So PLR stands for private label rights, and this is content that other people create, but then you are able to claim as your own. And so it's a great way to get some high quality content that you can use in a variety of ways. I'm not going to go into great detail about how you can use PLR. Hopefully, if you're looking to buy PLR, you already have some ideas of how to use it. But it can be used in a lot of different ways. It can be used for email content, blog content, video content, creating your own products to sell, creating membership sites. It can be used in a ton of ways. And the beauty of PLR is that it really speeds up the process. So if you're looking to buy PLR products, I'm going to go over a few places where you can find high quality PLR. And most times you may not be buying PLR from just one location, although there are some pretty good online sites that we'll look at where you can find a lot of probably what you need at those sites. Now, it is important to understand up front that most PLR products are going to be sold in one of three ways, and we'll see that as we go through this video. The first way a lot of them are sold is through a membership platform, typically where you pay a monthly or yearly fee to belong to a website that then you have access to the PLR products on that site in exchange for your membership fee. Other sites will sell PLR products on a credit basis. We'll see this with a very popular PLR site in a little bit in this video. And this is where you buy credits. Each credit has a certain dollar value. And then the products that you purchase, you'll need so many credits for the product. Okay, you might need 1 credit for a certain product. You might need 5 or 10 credits for another product. And then lastly, you can buy them in what I call just one-off purchases, where you are just going to buy one article, or you might buy one set of videos, or you might buy a pack of articles, or sometimes you can buy PLR that kind of comes as a turnkey done-for-you system. It might have an opt-in page, a free report, a sales page for the main PLR product, and then the main PLR product. It might even come with some email, but it's kind of everything you would need for that product. So just understand this is how you are mostly going to be purchasing in one of these ways. So the first site we're going to go look at is called bigproductstore.com, and they have a membership. So the first thing we talked about is a membership version. And I do have a lifetime membership to bigproductstore.com. They're one of my favorite PLR sites. They have tons and tons of products. They have lots of things that you can get for free, so you don't necessarily need to join the membership. You'll have actually fairly good access to quite a few free products. But if you're going to be using PLR in any kind of serious way for your business, it's probably best to join the membership, which we'll look at in just a second. But first, what kind of products do they offer? They have lots of different types of PLR products, everything from audio files, templates, different what they call contents, which you can go look at, video PLR, so video courses, files, ebooks, some different WordPress themes and plugins, tool scripts, and lots of others. And if we go and just say let's browse, what you'll see is that they upload and add new content on almost a daily basis. So this was added today, added yesterday, the day before, 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 the day before. So you can see in the last 3 days they've added 12 different products to their sites, and you can see it's a variety of niches, right? So you got self-help niche, entrepreneurial niche, blogging, health, entrepreneurial, make money online, all kinds of, as you can see, in all sorts of different niches. So now, again, I do have a membership with them. they are adding, and they've been doing this for, I should say, about 10 years. So they're not a fly-by-night, okay? They are constantly adding new stuff. Now, let's see. Oh, this is a little different here. This is some new pricing that they put out, okay? Last time I was looking at this, they just had this kind of monthly and one-time. I bought this lifetime, but now I guess they have this monthly ultimate and one-time payment ultimate, which you can see is a little more. And what's the difference? I guess access to big product store exclusive products. So I'm not sure exactly what that is, to be honest. I've just always had this one-time payment. To me, it made a lot of sense. I use PLR quite a bit for my business. And, if you're doing the monthly, it's not bad, 20 bucks a month. But after 5 months, you're going to hit this one-time payment. So I just went with the one-time payment. Again, I am not aware of what these exclusive products are that they're offering. So that may be an option that you'd want to check out if you're looking at these new options that they have. But this is actually my favorite. Bigproductstore.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Another very popular PLR site is called PLR.me. That's the web name, PLRMe. And again, they have lots and lots of products in different, again, they kind of categorize it by niches, and then also the different types of products that you can get. And you can see, again, just a huge selection, right? That's why they are super popular. Again, you can create a free account and get access. Most of these PLR sites are going to, give you some kind of access. They have over 15,000. Big product store, I think, is over 10,000. So, lots of products, right? The big difference with PLRMe is if we go look at their pricing page, they do a credits system, and this, can be a little confusing. Let's scroll down to where they talk about the credits, okay? So there's different ways, right? The more credits you buy per year, obviously the lower price per credit. So, that makes sense. They want you to buy more. But here's kind of what it comes down to, right? If you want to buy just one article, it's going to cost you 1 credit. And so it depends on what those credit costs are. It might be as low as 40 cents, but it could be, if you just do the pay-as-you-go, it's going to cost you $2.20, right? So just buying one article pay-as-you-go could be $2.20. Now, maybe you want to buy a complete course because you want to have something to sell as your own. Well, that's going to be $50 or more. So if you're doing pay-as-you-go, that's going to be $100 or more to buy it as your own. So you do get a lot of great things here. And you can go through and see all of it. Again, however, these credits can be a little tough, right? Because you're trying to convert credit into dollars. That can be a little hard to understand. Again, they do have the pricing per credit. You can get some additional discounted credits. Do they roll over? So you definitely want to go through and, essentially, in one way, it is essentially a membership site, right? Because you're paying either, they do have some one-time things, but as you can see, a lot of these are either per month or per year. And so it can get a little expensive. Again, if we looked at, the big product store, you could get a lifetime, right, for $100 or $200, or here you could be paying $349 per month as their lowest, okay? So you just want to make sure you really go through and understand this credit situation, because it does, to me, it gets a little confusing, but lots and lots of great products on here. Now, if you want to buy one-offs, then you may want to go and look at a couple different websites. Munchai.com is a listing site for product launches. Vendors are going to be releasing a product to the public. They usually have special pricing when they first release that product, and then they raise the pricing after that. And so if you come to Munchai, you can see it just categorizes the launches as either big launches, either kind of big vendors that do a lot of volume, versus all launches. But the big thing is just go to the all launches. You can see the date. You can see this is the affiliate platform it's on. Warrior Plus, JVZoo are the two big ones. Here's ClickBank, etc. And then if you look through, most of them will put, if it's PLR, in the title, right? So this person tomorrow has a product on Warrior Plus, PLR about podcasting. Here's PLR on ClickBank, how to sell your products, I'm assuming. You could click on that and get more details. So you can click on any of these and get more detail. Here's PLR Thrive Cart tutorial videos. And so as you scroll through here, you'll just see more PLR. Again, usually it's listed as PLR. So here it is. Here's another podcasting PLR. I guess that's popular now, podcasting PLR. Here's another PLR, more PLR about Pinterest ads, print on demand. So as you can see, lots of, and this is how you can buy one-offs, okay? And again, if you open this, let's just say open this up, let's go to their JV page, and this is usually where they give you more details about what you're getting, because typically you're going to get, for a lot of them, you're going to get the PLR product itself. You're going to get an advanced video, and I guess that's it with this one. Some of them you will get things like the sales page, a free report to give away, an opt-in page. So some of them have more. Okay, and then so as you can see, a lot of these are being launched on the Warrior Plus platform. So let's go over to Warrior Plus. I'm logged in. And if you go to affiliate and then click on offers, that's the page I'm on right now, affiliate offers. And what you can do is go into the offer title and just put in PLR and search. And again, because most products will have PLR in their title, so people know that's what it is. And then you can come down here and you can see either it's been categorized as PLR in Warrior Plus, or it'll have it in the title. So this is PLR, even though it may not say it in the title. And then you can see, obviously, these are all PLR products in a lot of different niches. It's great because you can see when they were launched. You can see how many copies have been sold. Okay. You can see the refund rates over here. And then you can go to, get more information if you click on the name of the product. And this is how a great way to buy one-off PLR. And it can be very, very complete, can be very good as far as what you're getting. And like I say, some of it you'll even get, I'm not sure, which ones come, but some will come with their own sales page, free reports for opt-in pages, and things like that. So I hope you found this helpful. If so, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate you watching the video. Please subscribe. I put out new content to try to help you succeed online. And I want to try and share just inside information with you. And this was about how to buy quality PLR products. Thanks so much for watching.